Welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little bit different than normal. It's a little bit of preventive maintenance that we need to do. I have been working on a video and recording some spots with cleaning this garage, getting it organized and getting some new stuff in here. But with shipping and stuff, it's kind of be delayed a little bit. So that's probably going to be like 3 or 4 weeks before that video comes out. But as of right now, we have a pretty big winter storm coming in, so we need to take care of a few things real quick. I'm usually not too worried about snow or anything, but we're supposed to get like a half an inch to an inch of ice on top of some snow. So I need to do a few things real quick. And I thought, might as well throw it out there. That might be beneficial to you if you're kind of in this area. But I know pretty much the whole Midwest down to the south a little bit, it's going to get some pretty cold temperatures here in the next couple of days. So hopefully this helps. So the basics, we just got some driveway salt. We got our snow scraper blade. We also have the hoe that we can actually, not the hoe, but the spade. We can bust up ice if we need to. And then we got our regular little shovel. All right, so my main concern, not really with the snow, like I said, it's the ice. I don't want the ice getting down in here, especially when we're getting a half inch to maybe an inch of snow and something messing up. So I have this old piece of plastic. I think it was on like a pallet to separate or protect whatever the goods were on a pallet. It's just a piece of like corrugated, but you can find stuff like this at one of your box stores or whatever. But what I'm going to do is stick that up in here. Get a 4x4 like that. And then we are going to kind of zip tie this around it. So if ice and snow does hit it, it can hit it and fall off, and then we still have airflow up through here. So, and it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Let's see here. Got some zip ties. And this is just crude, but I did this a couple years ago when we had a bad ice storm, and I came out here and it was covered in ice, but this was still open through here and everything was working fine. And these might be built to handle that. I'm not an HVAC guy, I don't know, but in theory, it makes me feel better, so. I gotta get that in there. That's not gonna be easy. Oh, I got it. Okay. Yeah, I get wrappers. All right, let's see here. All right, look. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Look, that's drool all over myself. Let's see. Let's go here. Short one. You double these up. Oh, this wants to be tricky. So that can't go down. Okay, what we got here. So under here, got plenty of airflow. Ice, snow comes down on that. It should just go off of there. And then we have zip tied to the front. And this is just temporary, so this getting cut off, I don't need to trim all that up, but this is still going to allow the air to come through and everything else. Well, there's nothing crazy, but hopefully if it helps one of you, and you don't have to go through expense of having your unit burn up or get ruined by the ice, something like that, then it was worth it. Super short video, just wanted to fill this in there real quick. Also along those lines, if you all might experience this weather, make sure you have plenty of food, make sure you have some little tea lights, some other emergency little lights and flashlights, things like that, and some good blankets. Just be safe, and hopefully I'll come through it pretty good. So like I said, this video or the other video that's going to come out is going to pretty much be cleaning the garage, organizing it, getting some stuff out of here into storage units, getting a few new tools and equipment. So I kind of show you that one here in a little bit, probably the next video after this, or I might try to find something in between that one and this one. But it's coming along and it's going to look pretty cool. I'm excited about it. So appreciate you all watching this, and stay warm. We'll see you next time. Thanks.